All right, here we are tonight, racers and rods here at beautiful Lakewood Ranch Main Street, the monthly car show. It's like we got about 100 or so really nice cars. We're walking around, talking to some people, and checking out the cars. So stay tuned and see some awesome rides. Thanks.
Started life as a 64 442 holiday sport coupe, and a buddy of mine had it, and he put a Mondello 68-inch 550 horsepower motor with a 5-speed with an aluminum rear end, but he didn't do anything to the brake, steering, suspension, interior, or paint, you know. And he passed away, and I had promised to help his wife sell the car. And anyway, 3 or 4 years later, I ended up with it.
Who's a bad girl now? Who's a bad girl now? I'm such a bad girl. I speak my mind and I don't care. I live my life like a millionaire. I'm loaded and I control it. A girl like me will take you on. Just be aware, I get what I want. I'll tell you, I'm no angel. I didn't wanna be daddy's girl. I played the part for too long. I never wanted to be that way. I just wanna have fun. Who's a bad girl now? I'm such a bad girl. Who's a bad girl now? I'm such a bad girl. Who's a bad girl now? I'm such a bad girl. Who's a bad girl now? I'm such a bad girl Who's a bad girl now?
Saltworks. It's a 53 Chevy pickup. We've mostly built 75% of it from scratch. LT4 powered, no limit engineering chassis. We did every bit of the work, paint, interior, everything.
Awesome.
I got a gal, she looked just fine. Always bring me whiskey and wine. Breakfast in the morning and dinner at night. Everything she do just right. But when I say what you want me to do, she say, there's one thing that I want from you. A little bit of rock, a little bit of roll, a little bit of rock, a little bit of roll, a little bit of rock, a little bit of roll, itty bitty little bit of rock and roll. We went to a dance, she was looking swell, spinning around just like a carousel. Jitterbug boogie, swinging right, having a ball on Saturday night. The band leader said, what you want us to play? The kids all how to just take it away. A little bit of rock, a little bit of roll. I said a little bit of rock, ooh, a little bit of roll. Well, a little bit of rock, a little bit of roll. Itty bitty little bit of rock and roll.
It's a 61 Corvette, built November of 1960. It's a 283 engine, base model, 4-speed, transmission. Car's all original except for the radial tires. I drive it daily, and it's a great way to clear your head.
She looked just fine. Always bring me whiskey and wine. Breakfast in the morning and dinner at night. Everything she do just right. When I say what you want me to do, she say, just one thing that I want from you. A little bit